How to enable Note Assist on your Samsung Galaxy. Auto format, summarize, spelling or grammar, or you can translate anything easily. For that, simply go to your setting, and under setting you can see the Galaxy AI option. Go to Galaxy AI and go to Note Assist. Just enable this option. Other way, just open up your notes. For example, I am open my notes. Then you can see the new option, then top right corner you can see the icon. So hello, and if you press this top right corner icon, then you can see all of your option. So now you can easily summarize or anything spell it is. So that's it. This is how you can easily enable Notes AI on your Samsung device. Hope video helpful. Thank you.